Welcome! In this video, we'll show how to use the Novator Extender to safely customize your AbanteCart Novator theme storefront. Once you're in, navigate to Extensions, then click on All Extensions. Scroll through the list or use the search to find Novator Extender. Click Install. Once installed, you'll be redirected to the Extensions Settings page. Go ahead and enable the extension here. This extension adds two important files to your store: novatortweaker.css, novatortweaker.js. These files are where we can safely place our custom CSS and JavaScript. Next, let's head over to the Hosting File Manager. We navigate to Extensions, Novator Tweaker, Storefront, View, Novator, CSS directory. Here we open the novator_tweaker.css file for editing. Now let's go to the storefront and use the browser's Inspect tool to examine the header. In the HTML, we find the div with the class topbar. On the right side in the CSS preview, we test a new rule by adding background gray. You can see the header background updates instantly in the preview. Now that we're happy with the look, let's go back to the file manager and add this rule to the CSS file. .topbar background gray. Click Save. Back on the storefront, open the browser console, go to the Network tab, and check Disable Cache. This ensures the browser loads the latest version of our modified CSS or JavaScript on each page refresh. Now reload the page, and there it is. Our header background is gray, and the change is now permanent. Go back to the file manager and navigate to Extensions Novator Tweaker Storefront View, Novator JS directory. Open the novator_tweaker.js file for editing. Here, you can add any custom JavaScript code that should load with the Novator theme. For demonstration, we'll add a simple script. Alert run new JS code. Save the file. Back in the storefront, reload the page, and you'll see the alert. This confirms that your custom JavaScript is now being loaded. The Novator Extender extension makes it easy to apply CSS or JS customizations that are safe from theme updates, meaning your changes won't be lost when the Novator theme is updated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.